कृष्ण कन्हैया जागो, तेरी माँ वो माखन लाई, मारा कृष्ण कन्हैया जागो। अनो उरुरुरु उरुरुरु उरुरुरु, अनो उरुरुरु उरुरुरु उरुरुरु, उरुरुरु उरुरुरु।
गुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः, शुभं गुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः, शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते, दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते। दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः, दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः, दीपो हरतु मे पापम्, सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते।
And my dear students and respected parents,
All of you keep silence.
so first of all I wish all of you a very happy 79th happy Independence Day, and also today we are celebrating Janmashtami, the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. So today we have assembled here to celebrate two occasions. First of all, today is 79th Independence Day. So, students, as you know, 79 years have passed till we got independence. That doesn't mean that we should forget the sacrifice that was made by our freedom fighters. So, freedom was not achieved in one day or by one person. It was a long process. We started in the year 1857 with the first year of independence. So, it took almost 100 years or 90 years to get independence. Our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, B. Surendra Sai, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, they all contributed for the freedom of our country. Some followed violent ways, some followed liberal ways, but the motto was same. What was that? To remove Britishers, send the Britishers back from our country. And finally we got independent on 15th August 1947. Students, as this freedom was not achieved in one day or by one person, it is a collective effort. So we should not take this freedom as granted. You all are the torch bearers of future of our country. You can help our country by becoming good citizens. Freedom in true sense means to fight for the right thing and to help others. So I wish all of you will become bright citizens of the country. Thank you.
To begin, let's welcome to our little stars for ramp walk. Today we are going to see some very cute and confident kids ready to show their charm with different attire. So get ready for a fun and heartwarming show. Let's cheer them a big round of applause for our shining stars.
वो है रंगीला, शेर छबीला, वो है नटखट, वो जमुना तट, फेर लगाए, मुरली बजाए, गोपियों की संग रास रचाए, मुरली बजैया, रास रचैया, शाम सलोना है।
जो है अलबेला मद नैनों वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मद नैनों वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही। प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही। दुनिया से है वो अनजानी, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी। किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन, हो किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन।
Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, 1947, India became free from British rule. It is a national holiday in India. The Prime Minister holds the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. People sing the national anthem and remember freedom fighters. It is a day of pride and joy for all Indians. We honor the value of freedom, unity on this day. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind, thank you.
Children, please keep quiet. And then
Hey, Asli.
stand up, go there. Get silent.
पार्टिसिपेट करने से अच्छा है। चलो पार्टिसिपेट करते हो, गुड बॉय बनेंगे सब, ठीक है? बोल दो बोल दो।
On this day, 1947, India became free from British rule. It is a national holiday. The national anthem, national flag at home in Delhi. It is a day. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. Mohit Das, please give a big round.
Today we gather here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. On this historic day in 1947, we broke free from the British rule after years of struggle and sacrifice by countless freedom fighters. Independence is not just about freedom from violent rule, it is about the right to live with dignity, equality, and justice. It reminds of our duty toward our nation. Let us honor the legacy of our heroes by contributing to a strong, united, and progressive India. As proud citizens, we must uphold the
Students, maintain discipline.
Constitution
Silence.
and work together for a better future. Let's celebrate this day with pride in our hearts and a promise to always serve our. I study in class 2. Respected principal ma'am, principal sir,
Thank you, Subhasri. Thank you so much. Now I would like to call
Principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to speak a few lines about the brave soldiers who fought for our country freedom. The role of Mahatma Gandhi in freedom struggle helped to shape independence in India. My life is my message, said Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, was a loyal social activist, politician and writer. He became the leader of nationalist movement for the Indian independence. It is for his unassuming out that has been hailed as the father of the nation. It is to honor him that we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October every year, which is also declared as a national holiday. He played a very prominent role in India's freedom struggle. Movement like the Gandhi 12 March 1936, the Quiet India Movement 8 August 1942, the Non-Corporation Movement August 1, 1920, etc. He spent the major part of his life in practicing his beliefs. The biggest weapon of Mahatma Gandhi was hunger strike, and he fought himself in several of them. When he found out that deviating from principle, Gandhiji himself told that Satyagraha is not weapon of wit, but of the courage of the spirit. The power of non-violence became a multi-power through mass movement as shown by Gandhiji during freedom struggle. Last but not least,
students, please quiet and listen to speak. How perfectly we deliver the truth. Listen.
Non-corporation against all type of injustice to fight against, inspire all the fighters to fight against social and other type of injustices. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Please give a big round of applause for Priyansu Bal. How perfectly he delivers the speech.
Good morning, everyone. Today is 15 August. We celebrate our Independence Day. India was not always free. The freedom fighters fought for our freedom. They were very strong and they went to India to be free on August 1947, and India became free. We are all very happy. Patriotic song. We remember our freedom fighters. Happy Independence Day. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you. Now I would like to call Aryan Panda.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today on the occasion of Independence Day, I pay tribute to the great leader Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I would like to speak a few words about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, one of India's greatest freedom fighters. Born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, he was a brilliant student and a brave patriot. His famous slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," inspired many to join the struggle for independence. Netaji founded the Indian National Army and fought bravely for the nation's independence, showing immense courage and dedication. His dedication and leadership remain an inspiration to every Indian. As we celebrate our freedom, let's remember Netaji's contribution and pledge to uphold values he stood. May we always honor his legacy and work towards a stronger, united India.
Call Ayansh Patnaik.
Good morning, everyone. Today we gather here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved nation India. On this historic day in 1947, we showed British rule after years of struggle and sacrifice by countless freedom fighters. Let us honor the legacy of our heroes by contributing to a strong, united and progressive India.
स्निग्धा मैम क्लास 1-2 के बच्चों का डांस इधर लेकर आना।
Uphold the values of our constitution and work together for a better world. Let us celebrate this day with pride in our heart and a promise to always
बैठ जाओ
serve our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today is occasion for Today's occasion is Independence Day. I pay tribute to every great leader, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I would like to speak a few words about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, India's great freedom fighter. Born on January 23, 1897 in Qatar, he was a brilliant student and a brave patriot. His famous slogan is "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Inspired to many joined in struggle for independence. Netaji founded Indian National Army and fought bravely for the nation's independence, showing immense courage and independence. Born on January 23, 1897 in Qatar, he was a brilliant student and a brave patriot. His famous slogan is "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Inspired to many joined in a struggle for independence. Netaji founded Indian National Army and fought bravely for the nation's independence.
Okay, thank you Tapaswini.
First of all, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. We are celebrating the 79th Independence Day of India. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day we got freedom from the British rule in 1947. India was around the British rule 200 years. Around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Bhagat Singh, and many others devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. We living in free India of their sacrifice. Independence Day is the national festival of India. On this day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort, Delhi. Then a national anthem is sung. Then the Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizen of India. Let's make our country. On this day, we got. Let's नम्रता पाई थी। आजादी का नया रंग फिर आंखों पर छाया है। 15 अगस्त का दिन आया, लाल किले पर झंडा लहराया। चलो मिलकर जश्न मनाए, देशभक्ति का गीत गाए। नया सवेरा फिर लाएंगे, भारत को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harapriya. Respected Chief Guest, Principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends, we are celebrating our Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. Today I am going to speak a few words on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name
After the speech,
Gandhi.
the Janmashtami dance performance, please get ready.
He is also known as the father of Nepal and Bambu. He fights for India's freedom from British rule. Gandhi believed in truth and non-violence. He wears simple clothes and live a simple life. He led many peaceful movements like the Dandi March. Because of his effort, India got freedom from British rule. His love and respect all over the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Good morning to all, respected chief guests, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Rehan Sethi, a proud student of Saint Xavier Public School, Chhatrapur, and I am standing before you today not just as a participant but as a young voice of this great nation. A nation built on courage, sacrifice, and unshakable ideals of freedom. It is an honor to speak on a day that reminds us our roots, our responsibilities, and our role in carrying the legacy of freedom forward. With deep respect in my heart and hope in my voice, I now begin my speech on patriotism. Patriotism means love towards our country. It means respect to our national flag, our national anthem, our great leaders who gave us this freedom. On this day, we remember freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and others who sacrificed themselves for India. As we are students, we can show our patriotism by respecting our teachers, studying well, and working hard to make our India proud. Let us promise to always serve and love our country. As I conclude, I bow my head in gratitude to the heroes who gifted us this freedom. With a raise in my voice and promise to cherish it, to protect it, and to conclude to the India of our dreams. Let us not only remember the past, but also rise to save the future. With unity in our hearts and hope in my voice. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Call Sonam Priya Panda of class 8.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman, Vice Chairman, Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Sonam Priya Panda of class 8. Today, I am here to speak about a topic that fills our hearts with pride. Patriotism. Patriotism means love and affection for the country. It is the feeling that makes us proud to say, I am an Indian. A true patriot is someone who always puts the nation first, who works not just for himself, but for the progress and development of the whole country. Our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Rani Lakshmibai were the true patriots. They gave up their life for the freedom of our nation. Today we live in such a free India only because of their sacrifices. But patriotism is not just about giving up your life and fighting wars. It is also about being a responsible citizen by keeping our surroundings clean and following the rules. A to serve the poor, a soldier who protects the nation in every weather, and a farmer who grows food for the nation. They all are the patriots in their own way. Today, let us promise ourselves that we will love and respect our country, not only on Independence Day or Republic Day, but in every day of our life by respecting our elders, respecting our flag and nation. ना पूछो कि वतन क्या है, तुम्हें बता दो कि हम हिंदुस्तानी क्या है. Today let's be proud to be Indians and work together to make India the greatest country in the world. Thank you.
A warm good morning to all of you respected chairpersons, delegates, friends and my juniors. I am the Architect from class 10. I am here to talk on the topic of the freedom of India is a journey of ups and downs. So it all started with the revolt of 1857, which is popularly known as Sepoy Mutiny. For the first time ever on our motherland, the Britishers faced the revolt, and it was the beginning of freedom national movement. It marked the 100th year of Battle of Plassey, where the Britishers defeated India for the first time. Our national heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose and so many leaders who made our path of freedom very easy. After years of struggles and loss of lives, the demand for freedom of India triggered with the arrival of Gandhiji from South Africa. The first movement of Gandhiji in India was Champaran movement in Bihar Champaran district, where the peasants were facing problems regarding indigo cultivation. For the first time in India, Satyagraha was introduced. He is the key architect of Rambagh. Soon after,
Teachers, please cooperate to maintain silence.
and he got popular. The rebellions were started demanding Swaraj. The advancement of non-cooperation movement had a strong impact on Britishers. The meaning of Swaraj was different at different sections of society. After Chauri Chauda movement incident, where 22 police officers got alive, due to this, Gandhiji had cut off the movement. The hopes and aspirations turned into an incomplete wish. After a time period of 10 years, another nationwide movement was called upon, that is civil disobedience movement. It was an incomplete journey and but a number of Indian does not participate. Today I tell very less about this. There are so many struggles and sacrifice of life. Thank you.
Of our beloved nation, India on this historic day, 1947, it was a foundation struggle and sacrifice by countless freedom fighters. Independence Day is not just about freedom or sovereignty. It is about the right to life, dignity, equality and justice. It signals our duties towards the nation. Let's all of
जूनियर स्टूडेंट्स अंदर में हैं, प्लीज आप बाहर आके यहाँ प्रोग्राम एंजॉय करिए.
honor the legacy of our heads by contributing to a strong, united and progressive India. All proud citizens most of hold the values for our constitution and work together for a better future. Let's celebrate this day with pride in our hearts and promise to always serve our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Parents and all my dear friends, myself Monica Classroom. Today is a special occasion of Independence Day. I would like to speak a few words about our brave hero of India, Shahid Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was one of the greatest freedom fighters of our nation. He was born on 28 September 1907 in a village in Punjab. Right from his childhood, he was full of courage and love for his country. He dreamed a free India where people would live without fear. Bhagat Singh joined the freedom struggle at a very young age. He was only 23 years. He joined freedom struggle. He believed on fighting against injustice or British rule, not with hate but with strong ideas and courage. He became a symbol of brave and
sacrifice for our youth of India. He and his friends raised their voice against British protest and powerful slogan. One of his famous sayings is Inqilab Zindabad, which means long life the revolution. Even though he was very young, Bhagat Singh never feared death. He was ready to sacrifice.
Support today's on the special occasion of Independence Day, I would like to speak a few words about a brave heroes like Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was one of the greatest freedom fighters of our nation. He was born on 28 January 1917 in Punjab. Right from his childhood, he was full of opportunity and love for his country. He stayed free of India where people should live without fear. Bhagat Singh joined the freedom struggle at a very young age. He believed in fighting against injustice and British should not be had, but the symbol of bravery and sacrifices from the earth of India. He and his friends began praying, Muslim boy and the British should protect and power. Slogan one of his sayings is on Inqilab Zindabad, which means long life and reward. Thank you.
Class 1 and 2 that celebrates the rich culture and vibrancy of our talented young artists dedicated to depicting the magical tales and divine love of Lord Krishna and Radha. Let us welcome our performance with a big round of applause.
जो है अलबेला मदनैना वाला, जिसकी दीवानी बिजती है बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है, किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मदनैना वाला, जिसकी दीवानी बिजती है बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है, किसना है। चली 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 गोकुल की राधा चली 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 गोकुल की राधा चली करके श्रृंगार में जमुना की तट पे करे कृष्ण इंतजार।
Good morning, everybody. I feel honored to propose a vote of thanks on the auspicious Independence Day celebration. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Principal Madam, Chairman Sir, Madam, for inviting me to address you all. We are truly grateful to the organizing committee for the meticulous planning and execution, which has resulted in this wonderful event. I also extend my sincere thanks to the students and teachers for their inspiring performance. Our dedication and hard work have truly brought the spirit of sacrifices of our freedom fighters and place to uphold the values of unity, peace and progress. Thank you all for the making this Independence Day celebration a resources, success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Janmashtami to all. Thank you.
Who supported us by providing lunch for the students and staff, Triveni Madam and Subhash sir again for the decoration and Triveni Madam also for decoration. Thank you Aishwarya Madam for your encouragement today. Thank you all of you for your heartfelt cooperation. Thank you.
और किसने कनी